Hello students, I am Miss Darshna and today we will discuss grammar chapter 13, the last chapter of this first term exam. So please open your textbook, page number 44. So I request you all, please open your grammar textbook and chapter 13, page number 44, use of shall and will. So let's start. Children, this is given on the text in the textbook page number 44. So here first we will discuss simple future of the verb to be, means in the verb to be which kind of simple future tense we are using. So here you have I shall, you will, he will, she will, it will, we shall, you will, they will, means this way. Here we are having I and we. For I and we are using shall, other all to be forms we are using will. Now we are having uses of shall when we have to use shall. So shall is used to denote simple future time in the first person. Whenever we are using in the future time, right, simple future time for first person, there we are using shall. So we are using only for future tense and only for one person we are using this shall. So here we have examples. I shall do the painting. We shall be late. I shall come. We shall pass. Here shall is used in the second and third person to express. So now one by one we will discuss. Number 1, a promise. Here we have examples. You shall get a prize tomorrow. So here when we are using second and third person to express, right, and there we can use shall. So here we will discuss with examples. So we have 3 total uses, that a promise, a command and determination. So with examples we will study. So in the first a promise example is there. You shall get a prize tomorrow. You shall receive a gift. He shall be promoted if he works hard. They shall get their belongings back. So children, I hope you have understood. Number 2, command. When we are giving any command, so this way you can express shall. You shall not go to play. You shall do the work I tell you. He shall go there. They shall do as I tell them. Number 3, determinations. For determinations, how we can use examples. You shall go at once. He shall go with you. They shall obey us. So I hope you understood. Now please see on the page number 45, uses of will. Now when we have to use will. So will is used in the second and third persons to express simple future tense. So before we have used this shall only for first person, right, in the future time. Now this we are using for second and third persons to express simple future time. So here we have example. You will not need it. He will go out. She will help us. So here will is used in the first person to express. So first we have seen shall. That shall we are using for single person and in the future time, and when we are using shall for second person and third person, that also we have discussed. Now we will discuss this will. So will we are using to express second person and third person in the future time, but we can use will also in the first person to express. So where we have to use this first person, that we will see. So you are having here 5 options, that first number willingness, second a promise, third determination, fourth intention and 5 a threat. So with example we will study so you can understand easily. Number 1, willingness. For showing willingness, examples: I will play for you. I will give you my frock. We will come to visit you. We will go there for your sake. Number 2, a promise. Examples: I will help you. We will recommend you your case. So here, when you are showing promise that I will help you, when we are giving promise to others, so there you can use with I will. We will, I will, so you can use this one. Determination, third number. Examples: I will speak the truth. I will fight for my rights. We will do the work. We will not obey his orders, come what may. So here, for determination, this way you can use will with first person. Number 4, intention. For showing any intention, examples: I will visit her today. I will speak to him tomorrow. We will go to the circus today. So you can see what kind of intentions are shown in the sentences. Number 5, a threat. Sorry, I forgot to put the screen on. Number 5, a threat. Examples: I will hit you. I will give you a blow if you abuse me. We will expose her. We will shoot her if she marries again. So here a threat can shown in the sentences for first person. So children, now we will discuss exercise. We are having total 20 sentences in this exercise. So I request you all, please open your page number 46. First you have to watch this video. Afterwards you can write the answers. Number 1, fill in the blanks with shall or will. Number 1, the children will pass the exam. 2, these boys shall go to see the cinema. 3, you will be punished. 4, the servant will not come tomorrow. 5, he shall obey the commands of his master. 6, you shall be crowned king. 7, you will leave the room at once. 8, the wicked will perish. 9, you shall receive the first prize. 10, you shall complete your work and go home. Number 11, I will help her come what may. 12, shall I serve you some more dessert? 13, you will be punished for speaking untruth. 14, you shall obey my orders. 15, you shall be dismissed from your job. 16, all of you will come to school tomorrow. 17, you will be my wife. 18, will you go to see a doctor tomorrow? 19, I will have my own way. 20, you will find God everywhere. Children, here number 12, shall I serve you some more dessert? Here you have to write S capital because it is the first letter of the sentence, right? So it will always comes capital. So children, write this exercise in your grammar classwork notebook and learn well. This we are having only one exercise in this, so write it in the textbook also with pencil and then copy it on the in the classwork notebook. So till then, learn it well. And now this was the last chapter of our first term syllabus. Now we have completed the syllabus of the first term. So please learn it well and prepare properly yourselves for exams. So till then, write this exercise in your grammar classwork notebook and learn it well. Thank you.